Here's how to turn on notifications in the Robinhood app. We're going to go up to our menu drop down. That's the 3 lines in the top left. Now inside of here, you're going to find a settings area. We're going to click on settings, and then at the top or somewhere near the top or middle, you'll find notifications and messages. When we click on this the first time, if notifications are turned off on your phone in settings, you'll get this message where you turn on notifications and click yes, and then it will ask you, or it might take you to your settings to actually turn on notifications. You'll see here it took me to my Robinhood settings in my apps, and then notifications are currently off. I can click to turn on to allow. It might also pop open with a little message that you can just allow from there, from inside the app. Now, once I've allowed notifications in the settings on iPhone, or if you're on Android, you're going to have options here to change how the notifications appear for you. So you can customize that however you'd like. But otherwise, if we go back to Robinhood, once you get through that and you turn on notifications, you have a lot of different notification options. You can see we have push notifications we can click into, and we have a lot of options here of what we get notified on. And so as you look down here, whether you want market updates on, referrals, maybe you want just bank activity on, you can turn on or off the notifications you want to receive. As we back out, there's also email notifications. So what do you want here as well? You can turn these on and off. Same with messages and muted. And then as we back out, you'll see anytime you go to notifications and messages, that one window won't pop up anymore. It's now just in here inside of notifications for you to turn on or off what you want to receive. That's how to turn on notifications on Robinhood.